Historically, these large packages and much higher taxes typically are not great for the stock market. That's been proven. Whether it's a short-term bump, it could be, but they typically had a pretty negative reaction to those, to the stock market in general. I think anytime you're pumping money, trillions of dollars, it's going to be good for gold. That's seen as a sign that the dollar's not worth anything, and that's going to be a good thing for gold. The question really is how can we pump all this money in when we've basically had a year of next to nothing taxes paid by pretty much the whole U.S. So we're bankrupt. We're $28 trillion in debt. But now we're creating a system where we're going to be pumping more money out there. And I know President Biden's thought is similar to what happened during the Great Depression, is that, FDR basically decided to start rebuilding our infrastructure. We build all those beautiful parks that everybody goes to. And I think that's valuable. And in the long term, it will be good. But in the short term, the infrastructure package will be difficult for us to pay for. And it could create a lot of turbulence in the markets. And typically when there's turbulence, people go to safe havens. So I think gold and silver will perform well during that time period, especially considering gold and silver are still low compared to where they were last year. Typically bull runs in metals 5 to 7 years. We really just started our bull run in gold and silver in early 2000. So it's very early for gold and silver to be reacting in such a flat manner as it has been. So I think we got another 4 or 5 years before things slow down in metals. I think, like most presidents, he's taken an approach of he's going out there to obviously increase a number of taxes, number of different styles of taxes, and then he's trying to create this infrastructure, rebuilding the roads and the bridges. So he's going after a lot of things, and my gut is that most of them will be chopped up and he'll get a few of the things that he wants. And I think that's sort of his strategy too. Similar to when, President Obama's office and they had, the healthcare plan. The original healthcare plan was much more bountiful, and it got chopped up pretty significantly. I think he believes it'll get chopped up. Certain taxes that he's looking to change, I don't think will get passed. I think even both sides believe some of the tax structure that he's considering are going to be too much. Things like the 1031 exchange law, to get rid of that would create a lot of chaos. I think every president has their first 4 years to be aggressive. So I think he's doing what any president would do.
Hi, this is Colin Plume, President of Noble Gold Investments. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below or hit the link. Happy to get you a lot of good free information. Thanks so much.